An employee is leaving your organization and they want to take their life insurance with them. But the question is, what should they do? Hi and welcome, it's John and Michelle Braddock, and this is the May BeneFocus video series. Today we'll discuss conversion versus portability. Group life insurance is one of the simplest and most accessible financial benefits available. For a relatively low cost and through the convenience of payroll deductions, employees can receive term life coverage that can help protect their family's future. In fact, a recent study showed that group insurance represents 39% of all in-force life insurance policies.
However, one of the trade-offs of low-cost group insurance is that it's not permanent. If an employee leaves for a new job or is laid off, coverage will end. While many will quickly sign up for new plans with another employer, many will not. So this may lead to gaps in an insured's overall life insurance coverage. Fortunately, group life insurance typically include provisions in their policies that allow existing employees to convert to permanent individual policy or to temporarily continue their group life insurance coverage.
Conversion, offering a lifetime of coverage. Group life carriers may allow employees who are losing their employer-sponsored coverage to convert their term policy to a permanent individual life insurance policy. Generally, a departing employee can keep the same amount of coverage as they had under the term plan without a medical exam. This can be advantageous if the individual has any health challenges.
In terms of cost, individual life insurance does tend to be more expensive than group insurance coverage. This is because, rather than a negotiated group premium, the rate's determined by a person's age, their gender, the amount of coverage that they're going to continue, and some other factors. However, because the rate is fixed for the life of the policyholder, it will not increase as the individual ages, or it may not increase based on an insured's health changes. In addition, permanent individual life insurance may include the accumulation of cash values.
Portability, continuing the group term life benefits. Portability allows departing employees to continue their existing group coverage, often at the current group rate, for a limited period of time, or until they are eligible for coverage under a new employer. Portability is typically available at group rates, so it is offered at a lower cost option than converting to the permanent policy.
Because portability coverage is usually for a limited period of time, it can be a good option for individuals who are likely to resume employment with a new company that offers its own group life insurance plan. A ported policy can serve as a bridge until the new coverage is obtained. And as with conversion, a medical exam is usually not required. It's important to recognize, however, that portability is also subject to certain conditions and restrictions. Some of these include the amount of coverage that you may continue may be limited. The length of time that you can keep the coverage may be limited. Coverage is often subject to age-based reductions. Many times the original company's life insurance policy may need to remain in force for that individual to keep their ported policy. An employee must not be disabled, must not have reached normal Social Security retirement age, or enter active military service.
So for more information on portability and conversion and how it works within your insurance contracts, please contact an advisor at ISG Advisors.